Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So as we approach the date of the Samsung Unpacked event 2021, Samsung Galaxy enthusiasts will miss another device in this list. Traditionally, the August event is used to announce the new high-end Note models. After the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra was released last year, it should be the turn of the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra this time. But unfortunately, Samsung has decided not to release a new smartphone within this series this year, which has led to a lot of dissatisfaction among the fans. To accommodate Note enthusiasts, Samsung has decided to provide a number of other models with S Pen support. Think of the Galaxy S21 Ultra introduced at the beginning of this year, the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is expected will also be able to be used with Samsung's famous stylus. With this, the case is closed, or so Samsung must have thought. However, nothing could be further from the truth. Note fans are saying massively that they don't agree with Samsung's decision to focus all attention on the foldable. The Note community is not particularly large, after all, they remain devices for the niche. Traditionally, this is Samsung's most expensive cell phone lineup. Although smartphones are often inspired by the Galaxy S series, Note devices usually offer various extras, just a little more memory, a slightly better camera. The fact that there is no Galaxy Note 21 Ultra on the program this year is therefore experienced as a real loss by many fans. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. The aim of getting Samsung to release a new Galaxy Note top model in the first half of 2022, because to wait a whole year before the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 series appears, many do not like that. It is not entirely the first time that a Note has been cancelled. Many will remember the debacle with the Galaxy Note 7, that model had a flammable battery so that the device was eventually withdrawn from the market. However, confidence was quickly restored, and after a successful Note 8, 9, 10, and Note 20 introduction, many were eager to look forward to the Galaxy Note 21 series. So we also heard that Huawei's rollable phone will apparently wrap a large plastic OLED screen around its front that covers about 4/5 of its rear. The portion at the rear not occupied by the display should pack enough space for a camera array. The real interest lies in the rollable system itself. Though the screen is pulled taut around the phone's edge, when the user wants more display, it slides around from the rear along with a motorized roller system. Interestingly, Huawei's chief goal is to mitigate creases, and it accomplishes this by placing magnets within the roller mechanism. This should also lock the screen in place. There are 3 display size settings available. The Huawei rollable phone houses a 6.5-inch display in its standard form, but extends to 11 inches with the entire display rolled out. Carrying a large tablet around in a device that's barely the size of a normal smartphone is an exciting prospect. We haven't yet seen a rollable phone hit the mass market just yet, but they make for intriguing alternatives to foldable. Again, the Oppo X 2021 concept is the closest thing to a consumer-ready rollable we have, but it still has its flaws. Granted, there may be issues surrounding durability and practicality, but it's a nifty way of adding tablet-like functionality into a smartphone shell. However, Huawei has done just that to some degree with its foldable Mate X series, which seems to be impressive. That is it for now, guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.